It's Kanai here. So today, I'm just gonna like kind of hop right into the video. So I'm just gonna tell you what we're doing today. So today we're gonna be making slime. We're gonna try to be doing it. Might be an epic fail or actually turn out perfect. And we're gonna be making it with shampoo and salt. And then let's get to it.
You forgot to look at me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot I'm doing it with my cousin. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, you might not be able to see me that much. So I have the little bowl. I already put the shampoo in there, and then I have a 1.5 teaspoon, 10 milliliters, and then I'm adding a little teeny bit of salt. Put some back.
Can I tell them we have a dog? Can I tell them we have a dog?
Okay, I'm only gonna put a little bit in there. I had messed up a little bit. Okay. I added it, now I'm gonna mix. And it's like, if you don't see it thickening, you can add like a little more salt. See, mine just thickening, so I'm not gonna add no more salt. You can see it's thickening, see? Thickening. I had put a little teeny bit. If you want, you can add more, but don't put that much because it is going to get messed up. So I'm gonna put a little teeny bit more.
You got get some?
Hold up, honey. Okay. And stir it nicely. Now it's definitely mixing. Getting thickening. You can see. Okay. So now I'm gonna actually put this in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna see how this actually turns out. Okay, so I might not like add this to
Tell them we have a dog.
Add it to the video, but I'm probably not gonna add it to the video. I'm just going to tomorrow I'm a vlog what it actually turned out. If it was a big or was it a success? Y'all comment down below what you think it's gonna be.
Tell them we have a dog.
And my cousin keeps telling me to show you my dog. His name is, her name is Gavinci. This dog is my life. Say hi, baby.
Hey guys.
She just loves rolling around on the floor. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator overnight. And please subscribe, like the channel, and comment down below. And please check out more of my videos once I make more. Okay? Bye. Psych.